You're calling from Delhi right now.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what do you want to know?
Sir, your age.
My age is 34.
Uh, Sir, do you belong to any category? SC, ST?
Yeah, I'm an ST.
Okay. Sir, your religion?
I'm a Christian. Yeah.
Okay. You have voted before, right, sir?
Yes, many times.
Okay. Sir, your educational qualification?
Master degree in
Okay.
sociology.
Oh, wow. Sir, your profession?
Right now, I'm a social worker.
Okay. Hmm. Um, Sir, when you vote for a candidate, do you see do you see only the candidate, his individual personality, or do you prefer the party, or do you vote according to the issues of your constituency?
Uh, I vote according to the issues of the constituency and the state as
Okay,
a whole.
okay, sir. What issues do you think your constituency faces? Like corruption, or is it law and order, or UPSPA, or drug trafficking, or Bangladeshi immigrants? What do you think?
Uh, Till now, even in not only in Meghalaya, even in our whole country, this,
Mm-hmm.
there is a problem that we are facing is underdevelopment. When we say
Okay.
underdevelopment, it means that
Mm-hmm.
uh, we are
Mm-hmm.
we are under demanding of many changes
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
from poverty, unemployment,
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
corruption, and everything. No, it all includes underdevelopment. So India, as we all know, is a
Mm-hmm.
developing countries. So we
Okay.
are marching towards to get that
Yes,
development.
sir. Mm-hmm.
Yes.
Okay. Sir, are you satisfied with the current MLA, or are you satisfied with the state government of yours, or are you not satisfied with any of them?
It's not upon satisfying. It's we have
Mm-hmm.
to deal with time and nature
Mm-hmm.
because
Mm-hmm.
after the constitution,
Mm-hmm.
from the time we get our own state, even
Yeah.
we get our freedom,
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
we had
Okay.
been working so hard towards
Yeah. Yeah.
all these things.
Mm-hmm.
We cannot
Okay.
condemn our leaders. We
Mm-hmm.
cannot pinpoint them. Even our
Mm-hmm.
four leaders also who fought
Yeah.
for
Yes.
freedom,
Mm-hmm. Yes,
they,
sir.
they had done the level best to
Mm-hmm.
deliver us this freedom,
Yes, sir.
and still we are still needing lot
Mm-hmm.
leaders who are capable to take this risk,
Mm-hmm.
even to fight for justice. Yes.
Yes, sir. Okay. Sir, which party are you inclined towards? Do you like BJP or Congress or NPP, Trinamool Congress, or other regional parties?
Mm, it's not upon the party, actually.
Mm-hmm.
As a
Okay.
state, we should always concentrate in
Mm-hmm.
choosing the right person for the right
Yes,
job.
sir.
We
Okay,
cannot we
sir.
cannot choose a driver to drive an airplane.
Yeah.
We cannot choose a taxi driver to drive an airplane. It will crash
Mm-hmm.
the economy.
Yeah.
That's why
Yeah.
we need to choose
Mm-hmm.
the right leader for the right constituency. It doesn't depend on the political party. The political party is just a sanctioned body to help them
Mm-hmm.
with regards to their uh, financial needs during their election.
Okay. Sir, do you think that Congress Sama, the current CM, is the best chief ministerial candidate, or do you think some other person should step in now and bring up the development?
Uh, Conrad Songma is I cannot give him full certificate that he's a good person, a good leader. Uh,
Mm-hmm.
till now, he's been working
Mm-hmm.
and a lot of efforts he has put on to the state
Mm-hmm.
development.
Mm-hmm.
But there are lots of leaders who are still
Mm-hmm.
behind the curtain. Not yet.
Yeah, yeah.
They didn't came out.
Mm-hmm.
We are still searching for those people to come out. Kontak
Okay.
Sangma also is one of them who has
Mm-hmm.
unveiled his image
Mm-hmm.
as a leader. But there are still a lot of them are still hiding behind,
Okay.
are still hiding behind, who are
Mm-hmm.
very good in leadership, I can say. But they are still afraid because the system that we are living now is still, you know, election. We cannot go to compete in election to go to candidate as a candidate without money. We have poor. We have poor people.
Mm-hmm.
We have poor people living in a remote area, but who are the best leader to lead even it.
Yeah. Yeah. Right. Mhm. Sir, which constituency you are from?
I'm from 26 Shilla constituency.
Mm-hmm. Okay. 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 Thank you for the time.
Okay, okay.